In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your credit card from your Etsy account. If you're looking to manage your payment methods or need to update your financial information on Etsy, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step together, making the process simple and straightforward. First things first, we need to open a web browser. Once it's open, navigate to Etsy's website by typing Etsy into the search bar or directly entering etsy.com into the address bar. You should land on Etsy's homepage where you can see all the creative and handmade products it has to offer. But today, we're focusing on managing your account. Now that we're on the Etsy homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll find your profile avatar or possibly a generic icon if you haven't set a customized photo. Gently hover over this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. Go ahead and click on Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the key details related to your Etsy account. Once you're in the account settings, look for the Credit Cards section. This is where we store the magic of managing our payment methods. If you've previously saved a credit card, this is where it will be displayed. Whether you're looking to update your payment information or remove a credit card for security reasons, this is your destination. Now let's focus on removing or unlinking your credit card from Etsy. Under the Credit Cards section, you should find the details of your linked credit card. Don't be alarmed, this part is secure and only visible to you. Next to the card information, you'll see options to either remove or unlink your card. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt a confirmation window to ensure you really want to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions, and just like that, your credit card will be successfully unlinked from your Etsy account. At this point, you might want to double-check to ensure the card has been removed. Refresh the page or navigate back to the Credit Cards section. If you don't see your card listed anymore, then congratulations, you've done it. Your credit card is no longer linked to your Etsy account. We're about finished here, but before wrapping up, let me add a quick tip. If you plan to purchase something on Etsy in the future, you can always add a new card or choose another payment method at the checkout. Etsy offers various ways to pay, ensuring a convenient and secure shopping experience. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you still have questions or need further assistance, Etsy's Help Center is a great resource to explore. Have a fantastic day and happy crafting on Etsy.